Hello everyone, good morning. Giang here. Stop booking more clients. Book the right client to grow your business. Working so hard, no time for lunch break, no time, and then get into the point they burn out. When they burn out, they get tired, they stress, they can't deliver the best result for client. What the impact? The client will not return, client will not refer, client will not happy with the service, they will give bad review. So what's the impact of that? It's just so much, it's not good for the business. Can I get less clients and more profits and less stress and not burn out and not need to work in long hours for you and for your team? So the solution for you is that focus on training your team to have the high income skill, the skill that the hair transformation skill, and two skills that I think the hair transformation skill that deliver the result. The hair transformation is low maintenance, not need client come back regularly, that save their time, save their money. They will come back and they return and they refer more. So improve their technique skill for your team. That number one. Number two, that help them to get the right training for them to help them confident with their communication. Because communication, when you do communication with the right way, then you build trust with client, you build loyalty. That client trusts you, they happily to pay you premium price when you do consultation. Invest in training your team with the high income skill, with the hair transformation skill and technique. So number two, that communication skill. And the best part, I suggest that invest in online training and coaching. Here's the thing, when you do coaching, when you do training, they learn, they watch the video, they implement that. When they do not right, they have someone to answer their question. And course online and training, coaching, that is the best. I highly recommend you to invest that and help your team. So when you got the training for your team and they confident, what will happen? You will get more clients, you will get more referral, you will get more higher pay, you will attract dream client into your business. So not need to burn out, not need to work long hours. And the thing that you only take a few clients, I could say, if you have your team have the skill that to do blonde balayage color correction, that service that help client, you can charge $150 per hour. One staff working 6-7 hours, you can see they got paid over $1,000. Below, I don't know where you're watching, click to the link below or just comment free workshop. I will send you the link. Okay, join me the free workshop. I will show you how to mastering your technique skill of blonde balayage in 21 days. So I will share with you after the workshop. You will learn so many things, you take away and you implement that, and you have to charge $150 per hour. And what does that mean? You increase the price. You got confident, increase the price, you stand out in this, you work less, earn more. You need to chasing client chasing you. They know you are solving their problem. Alright, so bye for now. Click to the link in the description of whatever you watching for watching my live. So you click to the link below here. And free workshop coming up that you can learn to master your blonde balayage. Able to charge $150 job, okay? So you can work less, earn more. If you watching this and you want the free shop, click the link below or just type shop, I will send you over. But also if you have any friends you think they want it and do for them, just tag them and help them to join free workshop and learn. Alright, bye for now.